हम सैल्यूट करते हैं, जिनके सैल्यूट करने से हमारा हौसला बढ़ता है, जिनको सैल्यूट करने से और हम जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये एक कहते हैं ना, हम सबके लिए एक लाइट है, सोर्स है, हम सबको मोटिवेट करते हैं। मैं चाहूंगा डॉक्टर रजत माथुर कर्नल कमांडर विजयदीप वर्मा जी का इंट्रोमर्शियल पहले पढ़ें और फिर 10 मिनट में हम इनके प्रोडक्ट पब्लिक सर्विसेज के बारे में समझेंगे।
Sure, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce Vijay ji. One second. Yeah. So Commander Vijaydeep Verma is wearing the entrepreneur cap since 2016. After an exciting career serving the country, specializing in deep sea diving, and as a member of the Special Forces in Indian Navy for 22 years. Founder of Tailman Technologies and creator of the innovative and unique concept, delivering diesel in sealed containers at customers' doorstep with guarantee of quality and quantity. Tailman is now adding value to the proposition with managing and maintaining the DG set and the manpower to reduce cost for the client without compromising on the quality and performance. We will today see and hear the unfolding of the innovative plan from Commander Vijaydeep Verma. Additionally, his team is working on a new integrated future, that is, adding value in tailman services with major initiative in converting plastic waste into fuel by pyrolysis. After all, waste is gold. You can imagine the positive impact it will have on reducing pollution. A family man and he and his wife Mita make a complete family with their two adoring kids. He has been our active member for more than 3 years now. I'm looking forward to his presentation. I welcome you, Vijaydeep ji, please.
तो एक बार जोरदार डिजिटल तालियों से स्वागत कर दें, है ना? डिजिटल तालियां हैं ना आपके पास? Very good. Over to Colonel Vijaydeep Verma ji.
Yes, sir. Dr. Mathur, thank you very much, and Praveen ji, thank you very much, and thank you all members. It was wonderful to listen to the intromercial acknowledgement, quite broad and quite nice and wonderful. So let me start with the White Tailman. Now, of course, this was founded in 2016. And it was based on an idea when I was working in Wipro. So I decided to continue with this idea and explore the possibility of making this a business itself. It is an idea which was not existing before that, and in a way you can say today it has become an industry. So we can go to the next page, please. So when I say diesel at your doorstep, which already all of you members are aware of, door at your doorstep, when I say it is in factory sealed containers, in a way you can say, हम diesel world के बिस्लरी हैं कि आपके दरवाजे पे diesel reaches in sealed containers, so you can be guaranteed of the quality and the quantity. And the rate is the same as the petrol pump. So there is no premium added, and there is a very small amount of transportation, which is less than what you spend on your own. Now, what we have done now is we are now bringing an innovation. We have realized based on our customers' feedback कि उनका काफी time and money and effort spend होता है maintenance में, as well as उसका electrical manpower को रखने के लिए. Now, हमारा ये कहना है कि we will be able to do the maintenance for them at a much reduced cost, and depending on the age of the DG set, up to 50% cost, we can bring it down, the annual maintenance cost, and also the cost of the electrical manpower. Now, saying this is very easy, but what about backing it with the reality? The backing with the reality is that when any customer of ours gets into an understanding with us, we are willing to give a buyback guarantee for the DG set. Let's suppose he goes in for a agreement of 5 years or so. Then there is a buyback guarantee that we are ready to go for, in which we are saying that after 5 years, the value of the generator will be a certain level. He can take a decision whether he wants to sell it off, or he wants to replace it, or he wants to continue with the same thing. Further details, if anybody wants about this particular plan, whether it is for yourself or for your friends and relatives or your associates, business people, then we can have a discussion after this presentation at a later time, at our own time. Go to the next place, please. Now, what is exactly when I'm talking about this diesel delivery? What are we talking about? It is now we are trying to create a complete comprehensive service for the customer, wherein he gets all his diesel requirements so that his business is running 24 hours at his doorstep in this kind of a sealed container, and he is assured of maintenance of his DG set as well as the electrical system associated with it in a way that he does not have to bother or waste his time in that particular aspect. We can go to the next place, please. Now, this is what we are talking about. When we start with this, understanding, it will, in the first year, have some actions which will be mutual, which is an audit of the performance of the DG set. And if there is some corrective action required to be taken in the DG set, that will be done. Once that is done, then we continue with the process, and it can last from anything between 1 year to 5 years or so, and then continue thereafter. So we are talking about up to 50% discount, as well as there is a buyback guarantee at the end of the day. Now, this is one nuance which I want to tell all of you. अभी आप सभी को ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि usually DG set is a neglected part of the complete setup in a factory or even a home or anywhere. In the sense that कि उसने रन करना चाहिए, वो कितने कॉस्ट पे रन कर रहा है उसके ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं जाता है, इंक्लूडिंग RWAs, malls, hospitals, schools, anything you talk. Usually, because the DG set is not maintained, or it does not have a proper earthing, or it is not kind of given a proper service regularly, like how we maintain our cars, the DG set's performance is much below than what it is expected or it is supposed to be. Now, what we are trying to say is that this is an area which we will make sure that it works properly for the customer at a much lower cost. Therefore, there will be savings for the customer as well as for us. We can go to the next slide, please. Now, having said this, what are the conversations that will trigger you to discuss with your friends and relatives and associates about Tailman and the win-win proposal? So, आप लोगों के नॉर्मल डिस्कशन में यदि आजकल स्पेशली कोविड के टाइम पे भाई बहुत ज्यादा कॉस्ट हो गया है, फैक्ट्री नहीं चल रही है या ऑफिस नहीं चल रहा है या all those things, but the cost is maintained at the same level, then that is the time when this kind of a win-win proposal of Tailman can be discussed. Cost of energy and fuel, as you know, is already nearly sky high. And again, पिछले 2 दिन से फिर से rates ऊपर चले गए हैं. Hassle of managing, यदि कोई बात करता है managing DG set कैसे manage करूं या डीजल को ऑर्डर देने में बहुत परेशानी होती है या theft hota hai, and such kind of issues, and shutdown issues, and all these various questions that I have put here. Cost of maintenance की बात करें, timely delivery की बात करें, कैसे मैं अपने कॉस्ट को रिड्यूस करूं, इस तरह की जब बातें होती हैं आपके सामने या आपके दोस्तों के साथ, कभी भी आप बिजनेस मीटिंग में हो या अदरवाइज हो, तो इस तरह की हालत में आप जो है टेलमैन के विन-विन प्रपोजल के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. You can initiate the discussion and then take it forward, and that is how you can create a referral also. We can go to the next slide, please. These are my select list of clients and my with whom I do business, some of the top ones, and these are my give at various companies at senior level, with whom I'll be very happy to introduce you, to get you connected, in case you feel that there is any business that is possible for you from these kind of clients. It will be my, I'll be pleased to, kind of introduce you. Next slide, please. These are the various customer voices that we have received testimonials from our customers. So I thought I should share that with you. Yeah, we can go to the next one. And we are at present focusing on construction companies making road premix, as well as any companies who are located in Ghaziabad, Vaishali, Indirapuram, and Noida, Greater Noida. And when I'm talking about companies, I'm talking about office, mall, hospital, school, any of these things. I will request you to, take a piece of paper or your referral slip if you have got it with you, and you can write down the name of the referral in case it is coming to your mind, and with then a mobile number, and share it with me, and then I will follow it up thereafter. That is it from my side. We have finished. And if there are any questions, I can answer that. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you. Wonderful.
Okay, so it is now our responsibility कि सबसे पहले कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनीज जो रोड प्रीमिक्स बनाती हैं, क्या किसी की नॉलेज में ऐसी कोई कंपनी है? रेज योर हैंड अगर आप ऐसी किसी कंपनी